Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I know it's been like a week or two, but I'm back now. Today, I'm going to be filming a maintenance slash get ready for March break, spring break with me. For spring break, I'm just gonna go visit some family. I'm gonna go back to Canada. I'm also gonna go to DC. I'm gonna vlog for that as well. But this is the last week of school until break. So I just feel like I've been in a rut. I'm ready to just get different, get new, which is why, I mean, you guys are gonna see, y'all will see in the video, but obviously you see as in the title, this video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I'm gonna be getting a piercing, get my nails done, a silk press. Y'all will see. So I'm super duper excited for something new. It's always good to like treat yourself once in a while, and I haven't treated myself in a hot minute and like spent my money. So I'm really excited for this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow my socials, share this video with your friends, and just enjoy. So I'll see y'all later. Guys, do not mind my hair, but we're about to dye it now. She's gonna help me. So yeah, y'all see. So today's the next day. I actually dyed my hair last night. I'll insert some pics for you guys to see. I just wanted to do something different because I felt like I was being in the same routine every day. Like that's kind of what college is sometimes. So I wanted to do something different. But just a little pop in. Today's Monday, March 6th. I just have class today and I'm just gonna do homework. I have some work training to do as well. But the next time you guys hear from me, going to be doing my piercing, my silk press, and my nails. Those are the rest of the things we have to do for this week. I'm super excited. I'm just ready to treat myself because it's been a minute. Yeah, so come for the journey with me. I just got my hair done and yes, I have something on. I'm just in the middle of changing, but I really like it. I already inserted and recorded a bunch of film for you guys, but Yes, so next up, piercing and my nails, guys. So we're about to go get my nails done and hopefully get a piercing, so take y'all with me. Alright guys, so we're gonna get my piercing now. These are my nails, y'all saw it, but thanks. So yeah. The lowest, like right here. Okay. Yeah, the last one. So how bad is it hurt? Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Wait, okay, just go.
Oh,
just do
shit.
it. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Ready to give me a deep breath in? Easy peasy.
Ooh, okay. Was it too bad?
Check it out. Trying to touch it near the
Okay, thank you. So
process. You're gonna get real friendly with antibacterial soap.
yeah.
Make sure it's not scented. So like the regular dial like that. And at least 3 times a day with a Q-tip on both sides. And after about
I just got back from the tattoo shop. I had to tie my hair up because it was getting in my piercing, but I only got pierced on this side and I got a double helix. I'm literally in love. I know I originally said I was just gonna get the helix, but my options were like the helix or the industrial, and he said my ear was too small for the industrial anyway, so I was gonna get the helix regardless. But then I just got one and I was like, I saw the Pinterest girls getting two and I really love it. Like, let's get into it. I think it's super cute. But yeah guys, so tomorrow is my flight. Bro, I accidentally hit it, trying to not touch it at all. I cleaned it and everything, but you know, but tomorrow's my flight to Canada, so I'm gonna vlog that whole everything. That's gonna be my spring break vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye.